Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you choose products that won't have you crying on your living room floor. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. Yes, the unsung heroes of cleanliness, making us feel like domestic gods and goddesses with every sweep. On my left, we have the GorFanty Steam Mop, the 10-in-1 wonder that claims to tackle everything from floors to your pet's existential crisis. And on my right, we have the Shark Steam and Scrub, which promises to scrub away stains faster than you can say, "Oops, I spilled my coffee." So, let's find out which of these steam machines will earn your hard-earned cash, or leave you crying over the floorboards. Let's kick things off with the price. The GorFanty comes in at a wallet-friendly $119, while the Shark is a little more expensive at $139. If you're saving for that dream vacation, GorFanty might just be your best buddy. Reviewers appreciate the GorFanty for its value, calling it an excellent investment for those looking to simplify cleaning. However, Shark's higher price is often justified by its advanced scrubbing capabilities and versatility, with many users stating it's worth the extra dollars for the convenience it offers. Now let's talk functionality. The GorFanty boasts a detachable handheld steam cleaner with 10 accessories, making it incredibly versatile for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers highlight its efficiency and ease of use, making it perfect for cleaning tough stains all around the house. On the other hand, the Shark has an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, turning cleaning into a lively experience. Users rave about its ability to scrub and sanitize simultaneously, making it a powerhouse for hard floors. So do you want versatility or a scrubbing dance-off? Tough choice. Let's get steamy. The GorFanty heats up in just 20 seconds and reaches a blistering 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which users love for its ability to eliminate 99.9% of stubborn stains without chemicals. Reviewers praise it for being eco-friendly and effective. Meanwhile, the Shark offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep, catering to different cleaning needs. Customers appreciate this feature, especially for light spills or tougher messes, stating it provides excellent flexibility. So while GorFanty is all about that high heat, Shark gives you options. Now let's look at design. GorFanty is lightweight, has a flexible rotation, and a long 23-foot power cord, making it easy to navigate around your home. Reviewers love its maneuverability and lightweight design, which enhances the cleaning experience. The Shark, on the other hand, is durable and sleek, featuring LED headlights to reveal hidden debris. Users appreciate this thoughtful design element, stating it helps uncover dirt that might otherwise go unnoticed. So do you want to be a stealthy ninja or a spotlight-wielding cleaning detective? Decisions. Overall, the reviews for both products are quite positive. The GorFanty Steam Mop is praised for its versatility, ease of use, and quick heating, making it a favorite for those who want a multifunctional cleaning tool. Conversely, the Shark Steam and Scrub is recognized for its powerful scrubbing capabilities and innovative design, providing a thorough clean for hard floors. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning preferences and needs. So, there you have it. The GorFanty Steam Mop is your versatile, eco-friendly friend who can tackle any mess with a smile, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is a powerful scrubbing machine that turns cleaning into a dance party. At the end of the day, it all boils down to what you need. Are you looking for versatility or scrubbing power? If you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And remember, product links are in the description.